Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel Life in Law. So, after a very long time, I am here to discuss with you all a new special criminal law, which is known as the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. And I am going to create a playlist for this act, and the playlist will be consist of all the lectures regarding the act. Today I am going to discuss you all a very brief introduction of this act and the very purpose of this act. So first of all, we have to understand for whom this act is intended to be made. So this act was intended or is aimed to give certain protection and certain facilities to the juveniles. So first of all, we have to understand who are the juveniles. So section 2 clause 35 of this act says juvenile is a person below the age of 18 years. So the definition includes a child irrespective of the gender, a child who may be a girl or maybe a boy. If his or her age is below the age of 18 years, he will be considered as a juvenile. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand the need of this act. So we are in a democracy. So in a democracy, the child are considered as a future generation for the nations. Okay. So today's child will be future's prime minister and future all the persons who will take actions for the nations. So therefore it is very important and crucial to provide care and protection for that child or those childs. Okay, so with that intent this act was made. I hope that you all have read the Indian Penal Code of 1860, which consists certain general exception which exclude a person from his criminal liability. Okay, so in that particular chapter of general exception, you have already studied that act of a child is not considered as an offense. Okay, if a child commit any crime or commit any illegal act or offense, that offense or act will not be considered as offense if his or her age is below the age of 18 years. This act categorizes the child in two categories. Okay, the first one is child in conflict with law, means those child who has violated any law, okay, or who has committed any illegal activity or illegal act, that child will be considered as child in conflict with law. And the second one is child in need of care and protection, and this category includes a broad section of child. Okay, I'm going to give a brief introduction. Who are the child in need of care and protection? Suppose there are a child who are homeless and who are living without their parents in the street, or who is abused by his family. So he has not committed a crime or but any illegal act has been committed against him or her. So that child need a care and protection for his future upbringing. Okay. So with that particular intent, this act was introduced. So this was a very brief introduction about the act and the some basics, aims and objectives of this act. In the later upcoming videos on later lectures, I will deliver all the details discussion of the acts and provisions. So thank you for watching this video.